All right, we'll begin with a look from our friends at the Dakota Magic Casino. Just a little bit of a cooling breeze, but temperatures soaring into the near 90-degree range for many of us, including the FM area. The latest look at our readings from Hector International, still 88 degrees in Fargo, and it is a dry heat. Your relative humidity, 20%. Winds gusting from the west-northwest to 24 miles per hour, and nary a cloud in sight here in the Southern Valley. As we look across the region, the coolest weather along and north of Highway 2, where we have some low 80s, and well, Baudette slipping back into the upper 70s this hour. But as we go to the south, mainly along Interstate 94 and points south, temperatures soaring to near 90 degrees. The only activity on the radar moving south and east of Alexandria, and your hour-by-hour forecast does highlight that. So our chance of showers or thunder showers this evening, almost nil. It's going to be very quiet, light winds, and remaining hot until we get to that sunset hour. And then as we head through the overnight, more of the same. Very quiet conditions, crystal clear skies, temperatures slipping into the 60s. And that's how you start your Friday. Get out and enjoy the early portion of the day. A morning walk or maybe even lunch. Things won't be too bad with the wind we've been talking about yet. But by the midday hour, the wind begins picking up in Jamestown and Devil's Lake, gusting over 20 miles per hour for them. Watch what happens in the afternoon as we see the wind really pick up. Where you see the yellow arrows, if you train your eyes to follow those, we'll have gusts 2 and possibly over 40 miles per hour. So lunchtime, very gusty in the Devil's Lake Basin, and look at temperatures already kissing 90 degrees during the lunch hour. And breezy across portions of the Red River Valley. It gets downright windy for western Minnesota and the entire eastern third of North Dakota through the afternoon. Temperatures soaring, low to mid 90s are going to be common, and Lakes Country will see mid and upper 80s. And then late at night, we'll focus our attention on a weather disturbance that works its way through. Some strong to severe thunderstorms are expected in western and central North Dakota. And late at night, these could work their way up into the Devil's Lake Basin. So for Friday night and into Saturday morning, the best chance of showers and thunderstorms will be in our northern counties. And it does look like it could touch you in northwest Minnesota as well. And our better chance comes on Saturday for storms. More on that momentarily. Here's your map for Friday. It looks like we start out in the mid-60s. We're going to spend hours near 90 degrees or better. Mostly sunny skies, but we'll have that increasing wind from the midday hour on with gusts over 40 miles per hour at times. Hot, gusty, and dusty across the region. And again, nighttime storms mainly for our northern and western counties, but not until late in our Friday. Here's a look at a gorgeous shot. Lakes won't quite be this glassy tomorrow with all of that wind. This is 10 Mile Lake at sunset. Diane, thank you for taking the time to upload your photo. Okay, Saturday, a cold front will make its way through the region, and we'll have a good chance of more widespread shower and thunder shower activity. There will be a chance for some strong storms. Large hail will be our main concern there, and mainly on the Minnesota side of the river. And then we cool off, Andrea. 69 on Sunday. It looks dry and quiet. We stay on the cool side of things as we go through next week with another chance of some showers. Tuesday into Wednesday. So that's how it's looking.
That's how it is.
You bet.
Yeah, thanks, Sedge.